Mergers and acquisitions are among the most attractive and strategic ways for companies to develop in the current landscape. Through M&As, businesses can bring their specialist technology and heritage together to create something exciting for their audience. 2019 saw a number of exciting M&As take place, so we're recounting the top 10. At number 10, it was HP Enterprise and Cray. On the 17th of March, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise announced its decision to purchase Cray for a total of £990 million. HPE's purchased the company to improve their performance in the digital environment and bring fresh vitality to its operations. In turn, the buyout marked the company's formal entry into the world of supercomputers. Number 9, Zix and AppRiver. In February, Zix, the leading email security and archiving technology, announced a strategic acquisition of AppRiver. AppRiver provided Zix with an opportunity to expand their offering with a broader compliance and security suite. The deal saw the number of partners Zix was working with multiply by 10 and allowed the brand to practically double in size. Number 8, DXC and Luxoft. Leading business transformation company DXC Technology announced its impending acquisition of the Luxoft brand in January, costing £1.52 billion in cash. Once the deal was sealed, digital consultancy Luxoft gave DXC access to some of the best creative minds and digital talent in the industry, according to the people responsible for the acquisition. Number 7, Juniper and Mist. In April, Juniper Networks completed the acquisition of Mist Systems. Juniper was excited to use Mist's AI offering to boost sales in the enterprise with an end-to-end AI-driven approach. Thanks to Mist, Juniper was able to differentiate itself in the networking environment as one of a few companies capable of serving today's enterprises on an end-to-end basis. Number 6, Insight and PCM. Midway through the year, Insight agreed to purchase PCM in a £443 million deal. The acquisition was considered one of the most significant at the time, creating a new $9 billion powerhouse solution provider. Insight CEO Ken Lamneck noted that the acquisition would help transform his company further into a leading global solutions provider. Number 5, Capgemini and Altran. Global IT services, consulting and digital transformation powerhouse Capgemini announced its plans to acquire leading provider of R&D and engineering services, Altran. The deal intended to make Capgemini a leader in delivering digital transformation services to today's growing companies. The deal will help Capgemini build on its IoT, cloud, edge computing, AI, and 5G strategies. At number 4, Accenture and Droga 5. In April, Accenture made the decision to purchase Droga 5 to blend the creative abilities of one of the leading ad agencies in the country with the expertise of one of the nation's top solution provider brands. With Droga 5, the company could drive big ideas into the limelight so that customers could discover the perks of the Accenture environment. At number 3, Apple and Intel. Apple and Intel have reached an agreement for Apple to purchase the majority of Intel's smartphone business. The deal will have a huge impact on the future of the smartphone market. The two companies announced a deal in July, saying that Apple would be taking on 2,200 Intel employees, as well as intellectual equipment and property. Number 2, Google and Looker. In June, Google struck a deal with business analytics software developer Looker. The purchase is intended to expand their offerings in the business intelligence landscape for the Google Cloud environment. Google Cloud customers will benefit from Looker's multi-cloud versatility and its ability to access software as a service application data from tools like Zendesk, Marketo, Salesforce, and more. At number 1, we have Salesforce and Tableau. Back in June, Salesforce took a huge step forward to increase its business analytics capabilities. The company struck a deal for almost £12 billion with Tableau to combine the world's leading customer relationship management software with the market's leading analytics platform. Tableau helps today's companies understand data, while Salesforce assists in helping companies understand customers. And that's all for this week's Top 10. My name is Max Curtin. Thank you so much for joining us. If you want to see more Top 10s or even more great content from EM360, make sure you go to em360tech.com or subscribe to this YouTube channel.